The automatic welding ring installation machine reshapes the production process with high efficiency. It is equipped with a U-bend automatic feeding system and a welding ring automatic feeding system, which can accurately transmit materials without jams, ensuring the continuity of production. With an 8-station parallel design, it enables simultaneous operation of multiple processes, achieving an efficient output of up to 60 pieces per minute. This significantly reduces labor costs while ensuring the stability and consistency of product quality.